Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's in my emergency kit. Hopefully inspire you to make an emergency kit, or if you already have one, just extra things that you might need. So hopefully everyone can take something from this video, and yeah, let's get started. So this is what my emergency kit looks like. I just really think it's a bit of me. Like, I think it's so cute. It's white, it's got the gold, it's got gold zips, and then I added my own pink pom-pom because I always add something pink to everything. This is what it looks like up close. What I like about this kit that is different to every other kit that you're gonna see is that it's very compact, it's very like small and flat so that it can fit inside of any bag. And another thing it does, I'm talking about this like it's sponsored, I just really love it. I stole it from my mum and just never gave it back. It actually opens in the middle and then everything goes into one pocket and it looks like this. So if you've got a handbag or you've just got a smaller backpack, this would be really convenient and it would fit nicely in that bag, and you can still fit everything that you want and more actually, because I'll show you what's inside of it before I properly take you through it. So this is what the inside looks like, but now I actually have space to put so much more things in here if I needed to. But anyways, on to what's actually inside the kit. And just a quick disclaimer, you don't have to have a fancy kit like this. I find that makeup bags or like pencil case type of things work best. So honestly, just use whatever you've got. But yeah, now I'm actually going to show you what's inside this. So the first thing that is very self-explanatory and that every girl should have in their kit are pads. I've got 3 in my kit currently because I prefer it than having just one. I think it makes me feel more secure that I have more pads for longer. So let's say you wanted to change multiple times in the day, or you forget your pads like multiple days in a row, then you've got enough to last you. And also, if your friend needs them, like, it's always nice to have more in case anybody else needs them. Another thing that I currently don't have in here that you should keep is spare underwear, but I'm not gonna show you that because the internet is weird. And also make it black and wear either black or red underwear on your period for obvious reasons. But anyway, next thing I'm gonna show you is my mini deodorant, and I think it's really nice to have deodorant with you at all times, whether you're on your period or not, because it just makes you feel extra fresh in the day, especially if you have PE. Please put on deodorant. But this one is the Dove Passion Fruit scent. It's just nice for me knowing that I always have deodorant on me so that I never smell bad. On the topic of smelling good, obviously this wouldn't be a video of mine if I didn't mention perfume. So I have 2 perfumes that I keep in here, and they are, as you can see, they're both very compact and small, so you don't even have to keep it in your emergency kit. You could keep it in your pocket or your blazer pocket, whether you've got a uniform or not. But I'm gonna show you this one because this is really cool. But this is the Fab Scent Republic perfume stick, and this smells so good. This is in the scent Sweet Vanilla, Mandarin, and Rich Praline. And it literally looks like a pen. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a highlighter type of pen, and you literally just put it on your neck or wherever you want to put it, and the scent will last for actually so long. But this is so cool. I got this, I think, on my 10th birthday, like a long time ago. My other perfume that's a spray is in the scent Pineapple. This is what it looks like. And this actually has essential oils in it. It smells like such a light, juicy pineapple, and I feel like just to stay fresh and smelling good at this time of the month, I think it's very nice to just have something like this with you. You don't have to go out of your way to try and find this exactly. Just any sort of mini perfume is good. The next thing in my kit is a compact mirror, and I really love this. I think I actually got this from a brand on TikTok. I'll leave her name on the screen if you want to check her out, but she actually commented on one of my TikToks that I did about this mirror and also a few lip products. And I absolutely love this mirror. Like, look at it. On one side, it's got gold with the hearts, and it's just very satisfying to move around. And then on the other side, of course, it's got pink. And then this is what the mirror looks like on the inside. Don't mind that it's a bit dirty. I always like having a compact mirror on me because if you've got something in your teeth or in your nose, you don't want to go around the whole day like that and no one tells you, because people never tell you, and it really hurts me that people don't tell me if I've got something sticking out of my teeth. Like,
why would you embarrass me like that?
But anyways, this makes sure that I never do. Obviously, don't use it all the time and don't become self-conscious to the point where you've got it out every single lesson, because that's just unnecessary. But when you need it, it's good to have it there. Next thing is hand sanitizer, and this is just a basic regular hand sanitizer that Just makes me feel clean. Like after I wash my hands, I use hand sanitizer and then hand cream on top of it, so I don't go around with ashy hands. So let me show you my hand cream. Of course, again, this wouldn't be a video without mentioning Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Touch hand cream. This is in the same scent as the 62 spray. I'm literally going to use some of it right now. It smells so nice. A little goes a long way, and yeah, my hands are a bit dry anyway, but it actually smells so good, especially when I've got the whole 62 scent on. Having this cream just elevates it a bit more, and honestly, I use it on my elbows and my neck sometimes as well. Like, you don't have to use hand cream for just your hands, but this is actually for nails and cuticles as well. I didn't even know that. Now, this next thing isn't actually in my emergency kit, but I do think you should always have this on you, because the amount of times that I've been in situations that I wish I had it. Baby wipes. This is the Huggies Pure baby wipes, and these actually smell really nice. But the amount of times that I wish I had these on me, but my friend always has them. Like if I've stained my school shirt, or I don't know, if my face feels too oily and I want to wipe it down, baby wipes definitely always helps me. Honestly, everything I'm showing, you shouldn't have it on you just when you're on your period. I think you should have it on you all the time for anyone else who might need it, and for yourself. The last thing in my emergency kit that I honestly have on me all the time is lip gloss. I think it's really important to always have an extra lip gloss or lip balm on you, because you never know what can happen, and you don't want to be going around with crusty lips. Like, this can't just be a me thing, but I physically cannot talk to someone with dry lips. Like, especially if it's my close friend or a girl, I will always tell her, like, just anything like that, because I would want someone to tell me if it was me. But anyway, this lip gloss specifically is from Lancome, and it's Juicy Tubes, but it's got little silver glittery bits in it, and I just love glittery lip gloss, and pink lip gloss, it's like my favorite thing. So I really like this, and it's usually the backup lip gloss that I carry with me. So that is actually all that is in my emergency kit. It's currently very flat and empty, and I just love this bag. Like, tell me you don't love it. It's so pretty. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and share with your friends. I hope this has given you some inspiration to make your own emergency kit, or to add things to your emergency kit. If there's anything else you put in your kit, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.